Ever wondered how powerful a lightning strike is? A single lightning bolt can carry up to 1 billion volts of electricity. That's enough to power a 100-watt light bulb for 3 months straight. But how does it work? Lightning forms from the buildup of electrical charges in storm clouds, creating a massive discharge of energy that we see as lightning. This discharge can reach temperatures 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. It's not just light and heat, a strike can cause serious damage and even start fires. Remember, stay indoors during a storm and avoid tall objects. Safety first. So next time you see a storm, think about the incredible power of lightning.